kind of animal called marsupial.
Marsupial? What does it mean?
It means the mommy kangaroos have a pocket or pouch on their tummies.
A pocket? What do the mommy kangaroos keep in it? Yes, Miss Sally. What do mommy kangaroos carry in their pouches?
Something very precious. You just have to keep an eye out, explorers.
Affirmative. Keeping an eye out is easier with these exploratory binoculars. They'll help us see things that are far away. Another kangaroo! Oh, peekaboo, I see you. It's a mommy kangaroo with a baby in her pouch. That must be one huge pouch. That kangaroo baby looks pretty big. Small or big, animal babies are totally, completely precious. Preciously cute.
A baby kangaroo is called a joey.
Hello, Joey. My name is Sammy. You know what I think, Miss Sally? I think pouches are a great idea.
They sure are, Skip. A joey is much too young to hop as fast or as far as its mommy. But with her joey safe inside her pouch, the mother kangaroo can keep her arms free to do the things she needs to, like eat or
Woohoo! Hop, hop, hop. I've got a pocket, but sometimes when I put something in it, it falls out. Oh me, oh my! What if the joey falls out of its pouch?
explorers. Open and close your mouths, like this. Kangaroos can open and close the opening of their pouches the same way we're able to open and close our mouths. This keeps its joey nice and safe.
Yeah, that's one strong pouch.
You got it, explorers. Out and about, over and out.
I'm ever so super duper glad we saw those kangaroos. I've never seen an animal with its very own pouch. What a marvelous, magnificent way to carry your baby. Don't forget, a kangaroo baby is called a joey. Kangaroos are cute. Come on, everybody. I can hop like a kangaroo. Can you? If my pocket was bigger, I could carry Skip in my pocket, just like a marsupial. Like a marsupial. Except Skip's too big. Yeah, a pocket or a pouch would sure come in handy. That's it. That's what Miss Sally meant when she said there's a pocket full of answers out there. With this pouch, you can carry things and still have full use of your wings and legs, just like the kangaroos we saw. What am I going to carry? A seed on flowers? Dinosaurs! Flowers and dinosaurs are great, but I was thinking of cherries! Woohoo! You don't have to tell me twice. Cherry berries! Yay! Cherries!
Шүмәліміз соны. Филан шайыдаған Қазақстан ұлттық телеарнасы 2030 жыл